In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Today Jan 18 Bank Nifty 1 minute chart at 12:35 sell call generated red color candle open. Daily in live market it will generate calls like a signal. So likewise today it has generated a sell call at 12:35. Call came at 46,089, that is our entry point line. That straight white line from red color candle. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. Today the first target range is more than a 100 point target, 45,973. Second target is more than a 200 point target. How you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart and get the call. You can place the order in your broker account. Both manual trading as well as auto trading are possible by connecting your broker account. For more plan details, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today, this sell call generated 46,089. Let's wait and see how it works in live market. In 10 minutes of trading, just a 10 candle momentum, it strongly break out the first target range and a continuous bearish momentum. During this time, it break out the second target also. Like this today, sell call generated and break out all the targets. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.